there, fellow web wizards and digital adventurers. Get ready to buckle up because the web is about to take you on a wild ride like never before. In 2024, we are talking about mind-blowing effects, stunning visuals, and web experiences that will make you feel like you have stepped into a whole new dimension. So, if you are tired of the same old web pages and ready to dive into a world where websites come alive, you are in the right place. Let's uncover the secrets of the hottest web design trends for 2024, and trust me, you're gonna want to make notes on this. Now, when it comes to web design in 2024, the key is to be bold and experimental. We are talking about pushing boundaries, telling captivating stories, and putting user experience front and center. Oh, and let's not forget about sustainability because saving the planet is always on trend. First up, we have got immersive 3D design. Picture this, a website where you can explore virtual environments, interact with 3D objects, and experience content like never before. Thanks to advancements in technology, immersive 3D design is taking web browsing to a whole new level. Next, let's talk about the evolution of dark mode. Say goodbye to eye strain and hello to seamless transition between light and dark modes. With more customization, options, and automatic mode switching, dark mode is getting a major upgrade in 2024. Now, get ready for AI-driven personalization. Imagine a website that adapts to your preferences in real time. Thanks to advanced machine learning algorithms, from personalized layouts to intelligent chatbots, AI is revolutionizing the way we interact with online content. And who could forget about micro interactions? These subtle animations and feedback add a touch of magic to the browsing experience, making interactions feel more intuitive and engaging. But that's not all. Get ready for sustainable and eco-friendly design practices. From optimizing images to reducing server energy consumption, designers are taking steps to minimize the environmental impact of digital products. And speaking of the future, voice user interface integration is on the rise. With voice navigation and intelligent assistants, websites are becoming more accessible and user-friendly than ever before. But wait! There's more. Augmented reality integration is taking web design to the next level. From virtual try-ons to interactive tours, AR is transforming the way we experience online content. Last but not least, dynamic and interactive storytelling is capturing audiences' imaginations like never before. With multimedia elements and user-triggered events, websites are unfolding narratives in real time, creating truly immersive experiences. So there you have it, folks, the hottest web design trends for 2024. From immersive 3D experience to sustainable practices and AI-driven personalization, the future of web design is looking brighter than ever. Ready to take your web game to the next level? Then don't forget to incorporate these trends into your next design project, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.